Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, your girl Nwezi, vlogging from Port Harcourt, Nigeria. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to either like button and like this, subscribe to my channel and leave the notification bell on. Thank you so much. So today is exclusively YouTube for my fellow upcoming YouTubers. You know, you guys, I got you, your baby girl got you guys. A lot of my videos I like because I learned on this journey. I'm not up to 1 year and on YouTube. I've been YouTube, and I'm not yet 1 year on the street. I've been in this street, but I like giving a lot of tips and what I've learned so far. I like dropping tips and like mistakes I've made earlier, so you guys coming up will not make the kind of mistakes I made before. Do you understand? I get a lot of DM. I know I'm not a big YouTuber, you guys. I'm not big, however I still struggle. My struggle is real. My struggle is so real. But whenever people reach out to me for a lot of things, I try to tell them so far I've learned so far. I try to, even till today, people still call me to tell me, oh, this, oh, that, how do I film, how do I edit, how do I do this, how do I do this, and I just give my tips. The little seconds I get DM. And by the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, oh my god, you guys, please, you follow and I follow back. I'm not I'm not doing go biz girls, like if you so I'm going to leave something here, so you guys just follow me on Instagram. I'm going to leave the picture here, so you guys, my Instagram handle will be flying even around this place. You guys, please support your girl, follow me, let's follow each other. Let me put it that let's follow each other on Insta. I get to relate with you more there because you might not be able to ask a lot of things in the comment section, private things. So on my DMs are always open for everybody, like, because I get a lot of people sending me DM about business and a lot of things. Anyway, let's dive into today's videos. Today I'm so hungry. First of all, I got a strike yesterday. I'm so I'm so pissed. When I got the email, I was so angry because it was a gospel song I uploaded few months either before I got monetized or something. I really love this gospel song, so I decided to just upload it because a lot of people might not really know the song. So I just uploaded the video and it was like reaction or something. Just the whole content is what I uploaded. So for upcoming YouTubers, you might probably want to upload some videos, and you know, because maybe you are not yet monetized or something, you don't care, they might not even give you strike, you understand, for some of the videos or songs you want to put. But at the end of the day, maybe when you now get monetized, you now discover that a lot of your videos cannot be monetized, or you are going to share revenue, your small revenue, you are going to also divide your small revenue with someone else. And so to avoid those things, so start on time. It's better to start on time to avoid all these things. So try as much as you can to avoid putting a lot of music that, you know, all these popular songs. If most times I want to start my video with singing or something, but I'm just so scared of all these things. Okay, a friend of mine, she's a YouTuber, so she was saying something in a video that I watched a few days ago. She was saying how she was live streaming and her children were watching a cartoon, and the cartoon background sound of noise was coming into the video, definitely, and that's why YouTube gave her strike and blocked her from live streaming, you understand. And he said that motivated her more to start posting content, because a lot of people actually use live streaming to get their 4,000 watch hour. But for us in Nigeria, you guys, we can't try that shit. we cannot do that thing. For us in Nigeria, how are you going to live stream? So if you're a Nigerian content creator watching me, hey, you can't undo the data involved, you guys. So when I found out that I could not use live stream to get my 4,000 watch hour, like, this is a no. The first I tried live streaming, like 1 hour plus, I forgotten the amount of data I bought that day and the amount of gift that disappeared from my phone. So if you're a Nigerian YouTuber, you're watching me, Doing live streaming is a no-no for you. For our people in the abroad, yeah, they can do that. Oh my God. Let me just say, so you guys should just label it for me. Consistency. Another thing is consistency is the key. I can't stop talking about consistency, especially if you're trying to get, even if you've gotten your hours, you guys, a lot of, especially this lockdown period, I know thousands of people that have emailed me, they want to start their YouTube, they have posted their new video. A lot of people are coming into YouTube. Even on my church platform today, my pastor posted it that try YouTube. If you have a talent to do anything, try it. This is the time to try something. Try YouTube or something, you understand? That's what you see. So a lot of people are coming into YouTube to up your game, because if you don't post video for 1-2 weeks, people will just forget you and move on. Yes, people forget you and move on. But you need to get content. Just keep creating. Your content creator, by the time you're coming to YouTube and you want to start creating content, just bear in mind that I'm ready to be consistent. I'm ready to focus on this thing and do it and put more effort. If you check the video, maybe I'm going to do a reaction. I saw Oloriasha did something like that, so I'm going to do something like that, reacting to my very first video on YouTube. I still even left it there, like my video did not even sync with the audio and everything, but I posted it like that. But I decided to just keep keep improving myself. I decided to keep improving myself. So don't stop at the level where you are. You understand? Try as much as you can to watch videos of people you like, improve. If you see this big YouTuber, let me tell you the secret of big YouTubers. Most of them watch a lot of bigger YouTubers. Yes, most of them watch bigger YouTubers recreate their videos. Let me tell you the truth, I've monitored and I've seen a lot of videos of people that I really respect so much, and I watched their videos. So one day I stumbled into another person's video and I found out that this person actually copy this person from this video. Like, it's not copying per se, but this is our original self, or his original self doing that thing, but this person inspired him or her, and she got this inspiration for someone. So move around the community, a lot of things. So it's so easy now to be a YouTuber, because you have a lot of things to talk about. You can recreate someone else's topic, recreate someone else's video, recreate anything you want to recreate. So it's so easy. Another thing I want to mention for we ladies coming here or like my ladies coming here, let's talk. See, people are attracted to beauty. You guys, I wanted to say something, but let me not say this thing. Let me not say this thing. Might probably be very controversial, but I really wanted to say something. Anyway, people are attracted to beauty. If you're coming, I know some of you, one of my friends might be watching this video now. I know she will so laugh when she see this video. I know she doesn't like makeup. She does not like makeup, and she's so beautiful without makeup. But the truth is, putting a little powder, a little foundation on your face will just brighten up your face a bit, because leaving your face plain is good at times, but at the same time, people are attracted to beauty. You're not talking to just one person, and you're not talking to just one person that you know, or you feel. Some of us on YouTube actually feel it's the same subscribers that are watching me, that are still watching me now, so they know me already, they know my name, they know my location. Anytime you're starting a video, start with an introduction. Introduce where you're staying, introduce your city, introduce your name, introduce your content, because you're getting new people. Unless if you don't believe for miracle, unless you believe that these my subscribers are the only subscribers watching me, and if you check your analytics, you find out that a lot of people watch you, they are not subscribed. You understand? So in that note, you need to show up looking good. Show up. Don't assume it's those people that watched you yesterday are the same people watching you today. Show up looking good, looking vibrant, looking bright. And that's why I come to touching your face a bit. I'm not a professional makeup artist, you guys. I know some professional makeup artists will see this my bro and call it devil's walking stick, but for some of us that are in the same category, they'll see this makeup as a very fine makeup. At least it brightened up. I'm trying to look at myself, sorry, because I'm not focusing on the camera now. It brightens up my face, and just to make my face at least very okay. Some of you will show up every day, your face is so dry without makeup or something. People will probably click out, because it takes 30, how many seconds do they say people click out on video? Like, if this video is not interested, they click out almost immediately. because they have other things. This is their data, this is their time. They have other videos to watch. And when you show up looking all sweaty, all looking somehow, once in a while, if you're doing vlog, you can show when you're at home, when you're not wearing makeup, or but you're doing a proper sit down video, or you're doing making other some other videos that you need to show your face or something. You need at least to look good, you understand? So on this note, even if you don't like makeup, I'm talking to this my friend watching me, and I don't want to call her name. I know you don't like makeup, but once in a while we have to do that. You know, the people are attracted to beauty, people are attracted to liveliness, people are attracted to beautiful things. Basically, you, if you see a video of a beautiful woman talking with all makeup and everything, you want to stay and watch. Just you as a woman yourself watching your fellow woman, because this woman is beautiful and she talks well, her background is fine and everything, and that thing will actually attract you to stay put and just watch the video. That a lot of new people come into their channel, so you see us every day introducing ourselves. My name is this, I vlog. So don't assume that all your subscribers know you. Oh, they know me already, they know my name, they do this. Look at Jackie Haina. Every day she comes and she says Jackie. Why would she introduce herself? She keep doing that introduction. Someone that has over almost 4 million subscribers, you understand? But she still comes online every day to sing an intro, Jackie, talk about herself, talk about, you understand? Some people will start a video without calling their names, without even mentioning. I actually like the trend of Port Harcourt YouTubers, because they actually taught me how to also mention my location whenever I'm vlogging. Nelo KK, and there's a space, Chantel, Nasal View, a whole lot of them, you understand? A lot of them out there. Most, because it was watching them, I found out that I'm supposed to be putting my location, because some people can actually relate to. Some people will subscribe to your channel because of your location. Some people will subscribe to your channel because of where you're from. Subscribe to your channel because of your personality. Subscribe to your channel. People subscribe because of many ways. So because I've seen a lot of people subscribe to my channel because I'm in Port Harcourt, and most of them are no longer in Port Harcourt. Then diaspora, they'll say, oh, I know Port Harcourt, oh, Port Harcourt YouTuber, they will definitely subscribe. So to that, so you guys deserve to know the truth. That's why I titled this topic, this video this way. You guys deserve to know the truth. You deserve to know, like, you guys, they just count on me, especially my fellow upcoming YouTubers. You guys new things. I'll tell you guys, I'm subscribed to a lot of big YouTubers, so I watch a lot of them and I learn a lot from them. So whatever I'm learning, I'm always going to share it with you guys on this very channel, okay? And I know a lot of YouTubers don't know about thumbnails, how to do their thumbnails, how to read up. I learned this thing online. I learned how to do my thumbnail on Canva before I even did my masterclass, and they threw more light on it, you understand? I learned how to do these things on Canva. Learn, Google about it. There's a particular thing I wanted to learn. A friend of mine that is a YouTube Foro TV, I was not telling her, and it's good to have YouTube buddies, people that you can always call, to ask, oh, this my thumbnail, is it good? Is this my background good? Is this my voice good? Is this my video good? What do you have to say? No man is on Highland. So I think I've covered up a lot of things. If I've not, I'm going to post another video, you guys. We are content creators, so I'm going to post more videos. So like I mentioned in my other videos, don't be boring. Just be lively. Don't be boring, be lively. People like liveliness, people like energy, people like IP. I wish I can dance so well like Daniel Kwame. Before I start every video, I would dance and shake my bum very well. Oh my god, you know. So but these are things that make people stay glued to your channel. Look at Daniel Kwame. Whenever she wants to start a video, she start dancing, doing a lot of things. Your favorite girl, you know, those other things people just like her naturally for this. Okay, like Lily Pop knows how to sing. Whenever she's starting a video, she starts singing and worshiping God with her angelic voice, as a sweet voice. Most times she sings with her mom. Her mom has sweet voice, you understand? These are things that makes people also glued to your channel. That thing alone, people can just relate with you immediately. Singing praises to God, whatever song you know how to sing, you sing. You just get them to welcome them first with some things, you understand? I know I'm still learning, that's all. A lot of things that I still need to improve proven, but this is just me talking to, like I told you before now, that most of the videos I make, I make it just to document things that I want to learn. Most times I go back to my old videos to learn things that I've uploaded and to also improve on myself. This video, I don't know why I talk so fast whenever I'm talking. I'm supposed to be soft spoken and be talking like super, but I talk so fast and panting and talking and I'm going good. And normally I don't talk fast like this, so I don't know why I talk fast. Can I just calm down and talk? And so you guys, you know, so this is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel. Please do where to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first set of people to watch my videos, and subscribe to my channel. I mentioned it before, right? Okay. Which one do you prefer, the slow talker or the fast talker? Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Till I come your way next time, I remain your girl Nwezi, vlogging from Port Harcourt. We are locked down, no use guy. It's not locked down again. We are coughing, like you can't even go to your gate. We are coughing inside our God have mercy on us. God have mercy on us. Anyway, alright, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I remain your girl Nwezi, vlogging from Port Harcourt, Nigeria. Till I come your way next time. Bye bye.